Hello and welcome back, my dear students, to your English literature class. I hope you all are regular with your work in your textbooks and in your fair books. So today we are going to start with our lesson 6, and the lesson's name is the apple pie. Remove page number 45 in your Canopy term book. Let us read. Once upon a time there was an old woman. She wanted to eat an apple pie. So there was an old woman. She wanted to eat an apple pie. Apple pie is a sweet dish name and it is made from apple. There was an old woman, and what she wanted to eat? She wanted to eat an apple pie. It is a sweet dish made from apple. But she did not have any apples. But the problem was she did not have any apples. All she had were plums. She was having plums. Plum is also a name of fruit. She said, there must be someone who has apples but want to eat plums. She thought that in market there must be someone who wanted to eat plums, but they had apples. I will go to the market and see. Then what she did? She said that she will go to the market and see that if anybody wants her plums. She filled a basket with plums and started walking. Then what she did? She took a basket and she filled the basket with plums she had and started walking. Soon she came to a farm. Then where she came? She came to a farm. A young woman was feeding corn to her hens and geese. Then in the farm she saw a young woman. The young woman was giving food to her hens. She was feeding her animals. The animals which are in the farm she was feeding to her hens and geese. The young woman and the old woman began to talk. Then they both began to talk. The old woman told the young woman about the apple pie she wanted to eat. Then what? The old woman told the young woman that she wanted to eat an apple pie. Turn your page. My family loves plum jam, but all I have to give you is a bag of feathers, said the young woman. The young woman said that yes, my family loves the plum jam. But what she said, I don't have apples. She had was the feather bag. So the young woman told that I will give you feather bag in return. A bag of feather will be easier to carry, and I am sure I can get something nice at the market for these pretty feathers. Then the old woman said that the bag of feathers will be easy to carry. There will be no weight in the bag of feathers. And she thought that if I go to the market, I will get something in return of this feather bag. So they made the trade. Trade means the act of taking something after giving something else you have. Means exchanging, means this is a type of marketing. So they made a trade. Trade means the old woman gave her plums to the young woman, and the young woman in return gave what? She gave a bag of feather. The old woman went on. Then the old woman went on. She left from the farm. Soon she passed a mother with many children. While she was moving, then she passed a mother. She saw a mother with her many children. They were standing in a doorway looking very sad. They were standing near the door and they were very sad. Who were very sad? The mother and the children. What is the matter? Asked the old woman kindly. The old woman asked the mother that what is the matter? Why are you looking so sad? We don't have any bread and we have no money to buy more, answered the mother. Then the mother said that she doesn't have anything to eat. She doesn't have bread to eat and they don't even have money. The old woman put the bag of feather in the mother's hand. Then what the old woman did? The old woman gave the bag of feathers to the poor mother. Make a pillow from this and sell it. Buy some bread with the money. The old woman said that make a pillow with the help of this feather, and after making a pillow you sell that pillow in the market and earn some money, and then once you earn the money you get some food to eat. Quickly she went on her way, but a few minutes later the mother ran up to her. Then the old woman went away. Then after the old woman went, the mother quickly ran to the old woman. I don't have much to give you, said the mother. What the mother said? That sorry, I don't have much to give you in the return. She has to give something in return, right? Because the old woman gave a feather bag to her. So the mother has to give something in return. So what the mother said that I don't have much to give you, because she was poor. So she did not have much to give her. But here is a kitten. She will be a good company for you. So she gave a kitten. Kitten is a younger one of cat. And told that it will be a good company for you. Good company means someone who will be a good friend. So the kitten was put into the basket and the old woman continued to walk. So where the old woman put it the kitten, she put the kitten in the basket and she continued to walk. Then right before her, she saw an apple tree full of ripe and red apples. Then when she started walking, what she saw? She saw an apple tree. It was a very huge apple tree and there were many red apples in the apple tree. It grew beside a small house. Where was the apple tree? It was beside a small house. There was an old man sitting under the shade of the tree. Who was sitting under the shade of the tree? A old man. Those are good apples, said the old woman to the man. So the old woman was very happy seeing the apples, and the old woman said that these apples are very good. I don't care, said the man sadly. I am lonely. So the man said that I don't care these apples are good or not. I am very lonely. Lonely means he was alone. Just then the kitten called from the old woman's basket, meow. So then the kitten said meow. From where the kitten said meow? From the old woman's basket. Take him, said the old woman. The old woman said that take this small kitten. He will be a good company for you. The old woman said that the small kitten will be a good company for you because the old man was lonely. So the old woman gave a kitten to the old man and told that he will be a very good company for you, so you won't feel lonely. Thank you, said the old man. The old man said what? The old man said thank you to the old woman. Here, take as many as apple you want. The old woman was very happy. So the old woman gave the kitten to old man. So the old man was very happy. And what the old man said? The old man said that take as many as apple you want from this tree. So the old woman was very happy. That night the old woman made a large apple pie. The old woman took so many apples to her home, and after going to home the old woman made a large apple pie. Apple pie once again is a sweet dish name and it is made from apple. So the old woman made what? She made a large apple pie, a sweet dish. She sent her neighbor some apple pie. Then she gave this apple pie to her neighbors also. Then she sat down to eat a piece of herself. Then what she did? Then she ate herself also, and she thought that it was a wonderful pie indeed. Then she said that it is a wonderful apple pie. It was very yummy. Okay? I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.